I'm just messing with you guys. It was empty.
Still I'm going no switch. Shots of rum in the bitch. I take the time, get me rich. Got the thought so intact. Dog from ground to the cat. Made a bill from a stack. This shit got a pill for the bag. Hit that bitch from the back. Say you run with the bag. Miss my face with that shit. You say that you bring the fuck back. Say I'm always so cold.
Alright, so now it's time to try to fit all of those inside this car, and if any of you guys daily drive your own Camaro, you know that barely nothing fits in this car at all. So we're gonna somehow have to get all of those boxes into this car right here. So let's go ahead and try to get everything in.
Don't you never fucking fun. No status, no practice. Stay low, never shit shown. Taking stacks for the snow. I take your bitch and she know. Moving fast through the glass. Never take it, never talk, never walk. Then I come straight back to lace. Let that shit been dead. Still you down your fucking head. Seen with stats to the racks. I go down with thoughts in the bag. The bag with the rocker. Fuck around and pop ya. No, I'm never gonna stop her. Got the power.
All right, we got our two strapped here in the back. We're gonna put one in the passenger seat, we're gonna put one in the trunk, and we should be good to go off the discount tires to get these things mounted. So we did grab a set of spacers. This is in case we need it. We do have to run them. We will be putting ARP studs into the car. But for right now, I don't think we're gonna need them, but we have them just in case.
Think I'm dumb cause ain't shit I lit. Mama said 4 figures. Make it big, no dinners. Walking around, no things to hit. Taking cash from your dealership. Ship slow for the black show. About 10 million Lando. Paint shit from the shit. You call me Picasso. Oh, hey, that I'm whack though. Fuck a bitch in your Volvo. White meat on my plate though. White sheet to my peso. Already done. I'm already done. Already done. I'm already done. Fuck you, I'm already done. Never shit fun. Run with the gun. And fuck you, I'm already done. Already done. Never shit fun. Already done. Done. Crack house sniffing in the back though. Cold white shoe shit make dough. Netto, come back in the same damn coat. Try me bitch if you can though. Find me slick in a small boat. Touch my shit, get cutthroat. Walk by swift with the same note. Claim you still the guy. I fuck you up so quick and take your motherfucking tie. Saying you should die. Locked up in the sky. Restricted to the moves I wanna make. I never try.
What is going on YouTube? This is probably not the day to be doing this, but we do have a white monster. It is snowing out, so I think it is perfectly fitting. Oh. If I spin you guys around here, our windshield is completely covered in snow. Keep in mind, I live in Georgia. I'm from the Northeast, so I know how to drive in snow, I hope. I just hope these tires that come on the Camaro can handle it. So let's go get our new wheels together. That probably wasn't smart. All right, that sounds good.
All right, brother. I appreciate it, John.
All right, be well. Take care. Bye.
All right, man. We'll see you. Bye.
All right, guys, so this might be where we end the video today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed our new wheel reveal. Super excited to get these on the car, and because it is snowing just a little too much, I don't think our new tires are going to be able to handle it. So the whole point to this channel is to kind of build the SS into a time attack car that is going to be extremely competitive in the class that it races in. But we have a whole bunch of more to still do to this car. Obviously the wheels go on, wheels in the back, wheels in the passenger seat. Then we have our big wing install, and then we have our wrap. So really exciting changes to the car coming up, and I'm really excited to share this journey with you guys. So one more thing before we wrap up this video, I actually got a new camera and a new lens. So did you guys actually notice the difference for those who stuck around to the end of the video? And thank you guys so much. And I actually have, whoop, there's the old camera right here. So let me just quickly turn this on. So if I'm looking over here, this is the new camera, and if I'm looking over here, this is the old camera. Can you actually notice the difference? If you could, leave a comment down below if you noticed it right away. But yeah, extremely excited to have a new upgrade to the channel, as well as all the parts that we're adding to this car. Very excited to kind of see what the future holds. We are growing quickly. A lot of you guys really enjoyed that last video. I think I'm going to do a lot more of those sort of vlog style driving videos coming up, and telling a little bit more of my stories around motorsports and the experiences that I've had so far. What was wild to hear is that a lot of you guys had somewhat similar experiences in the past, which is crazy that other dealerships have done similar things to other people. I also had a few people that called me a politician and a liar, but how do you make up a story like that? It's just, I don't know. But you know, it is what it is. But for you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Really enjoyed making this video. I know it was short. I know we were supposed to install the wheels today, but it is snowing and I like my cars and I don't want to crash them. So this was just a wheel reveal video with a little bit of Q&A. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this, please smash that like button, subscribe, comment, and all that other fun stuff every YouTuber asks you to do. Really appreciate you guys being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.